Alright, so here in Irving slash Las Colinas, we have this place called the Reservoir. It is right outside the Toyota Music Factory, and this place is a really cool spot to get some bar appetizers, some light food before your concert. So here we got the chips and queso, which was pretty good. The chips were thick. We also got the loaded waffle cheese fries. I added some pulled pork for $3, and it was worth it. It was a lot of food actually. You know, for the both of us, we couldn't even finish it. So this place was pretty good. I'd recommend it. On the way to the bathroom was actually pretty funny. They have a funny image on the wall. So if you guys ever get a chance to come down to Irving slash Las Colinas, check out the Reservoir.